If you're looking for the perfect CPU to level up your PC gaming or productivity setup, the AMD Ryzen 9 7950X3D might be exactly what you need. Today, we'll dive into verified user feedback to give you an honest, in-depth look at how this CPU performs in real setups, covering gaming, cooling, compatibility, and durability. Let's get started. When it comes to gaming, this CPU is a powerhouse. Users report that it's fast, powerful, and easily handles any AAA game title. Running at 1440p and 144Hz, many users found the Ryzen 9 maintains impressive frame rates with no lag or stuttering. When paired with a solid GPU, this chip delivers ultra-high FPS in even the most demanding games, making it one of the best gaming processors currently available. Whether you're building a mid-range or high-end gaming PC, this CPU seems to be the ideal choice. With GPUs like the RTX 4070 or Radeon 7800XT, users experienced smooth gameplay and excellent performance. One thing users emphasize is that this CPU can run hot under intense gaming or productivity loads, so quality cooling is essential. Many recommend investing in a high-performance air cooler or an IO liquid cooler to keep temperatures in check. With the right cooling, temps stay well managed, but if you're using an older stock cooler, you may see higher idle and load temperatures. Several users noted that with an upgraded cooler, they could achieve idle temps as low as 35 degrees Celsius, all while maintaining solid gaming performance. The installation process is a major win for this CPU. Users appreciate the AM5 platform design, which they report is easier to install compared to previous models. Even first-time builders found the setup smooth and straightforward, which makes this CPU a great choice for both beginners and experienced builders alike. In terms of value, the AMD Ryzen 9 truly delivers. Users agree that the performance-to-cost ratio is hard to beat, with many describing it as an excellent long-term investment for gaming. Some have even called it the best value gaming chip on the market, citing its ability to handle gaming and productivity tasks without breaking the bank. This CPU isn't just for gaming, it's also rated highly for productivity tasks. Users noted that it performs well in areas like 3D modeling, video editing, and handling virtual machines. With impressive power efficiency and the ability to manage multi-threaded workloads, the Ryzen 9 is a solid choice for content creators who need a high-performing, versatile CPU. Not every experience has been perfect, though. A few users reported defective units, issues with overheating even under light workloads, and occasional problems with integrated graphics. While these cases are rare, it's wise to check warranties and buy from reputable sellers to ensure support if you face any issues. You may find a link for a trusted partner in the description below. The AMD Ryzen 9 7950X3D offers impressive overclocking capabilities, particularly due to its 3D V-cache technology. Unlike its predecessors, the processor allows for more flexible overclocking strategies, including the use of Precision Boost Overdrive, PBO, and Curve Optimizer. Enthusiasts have managed to push this processor to clock speeds as high as 5.9 GHz using advanced cooling solutions and meticulous tuning. However, it's important to note that direct adjustments to the CPU multiplier and voltage are not supported. Instead, overclockers can tweak power limits and use the Curve Optimizer to achieve higher performance. This makes 7950X3D a powerful choice for those looking to maximize their system's capabilities while maintaining stability and efficiency. Overall, the AMD Ryzen 9 has received glowing reviews from gamers, creators, and tech enthusiasts. It offers impressive performance, efficient cooling when paired with the right setup, and ease of installation. If you're considering a CPU upgrade or building a new gaming rig, this might be the perfect choice. Thanks for tuning in, and check the description below for links to compatible motherboards, coolers, and GPUs that pair well with this CPU.